What's up, y'all? So basically, I'm about to be doing a tutorial, a blue head tutorial. I'm gonna say blue head tutorial because I'm really fascinated with blue, y'all. And my contacts, I know my eyes look a little high right now, but it's my contacts. I just put them in my eyes, so yeah. So basically, you guys, I'm gonna be doing. Okay. So basically, all right, here we go. Basically, I'm gonna be doing a blue head tutorial, which means I'm gonna be doing my brows blue. Let me see if I got any more of this. Oh, I do. Okay. So I actually went and bought another one of these, but sorry, I still have some left. I didn't know I did, but that's actually great that I have two. Let me see. I should have got some napkins to put down because I don't want to get this. Oh, there we go. Napkin. So, no, Sephora don't have. I don't think Sephora. So you can get it from like a beauty supply. Your local beauty supply, Walmart, definitely will have it. And yeah. Let me turn this down. It might be too loud. Alright. It was too loud at first. So I'm not gonna put that many pumps. I didn't even put primer on my face. I'm mad. I just realized I didn't put primer on my face. Should I do it? Your makeup, you could spray this like 3 or 4 times on your face. And it should last the whole day. So back to my foundation. I'm just putting a couple pumps. I look like I got doodle on my face, y'all. Alright. Okay. There we go, yes. Alright, so probably spray like 3 up here. And then bring it out to my nose. Alright, so after that, I'm gonna take this brush. I need to clean my brushes too, y'all. I really do. I keep saying I'm gonna do it, and I have a habit of not doing it. I love this foundation, y'all. It leaves my face really soft. Ooh, it is a cappuccino look. I'm gonna take a little cappuccino, y'all. For some reason, you want to just blend it for real. Y'all, I'm excited to do my brows. I can't believe I'm doing blue. I tried my orange brows this year, which I was happy about. Usually when I do brow colors, I kind of do like a burgundy or yeah, just a burgundy or brown. But this year I was able to achieve that. I was able to achieve my orange brows. Mind you, my tracks was orange, so you know I had to make sure my brows matched my tracks because I wasn't trying to do no brown brows. I don't think that was gonna look right if I had did that. I think it was gonna like look ugly, like really ugly on me, and I don't like ugly. My itch, excuse my hair, y'all. But just make sure you blend. Like if you see shiny little areas, you need to blend that because that's probably a patch of foundation. So just make sure you blending it. I love this foundation, bro. Like this foundation is so, oh god, I love it, love this foundation.
can't believe it's been this long since I did makeup. Oh god, it's already been this long. This is good, y'all. I feel like it's been like 4. But then I'm gonna go with my contour, y'all. So my contour, for me, I'm not gonna really say y'all do this, but it just feels comfortable. Y'all, I have to take a day where I could just go ahead and just clean all my makeup, like my brushes, my D's, like, because I have a habit of putting leave-in foundation on my sponges. But basically, you go ahead and just do this the whole time. You make it look so fake. I don't know. Maybe y'all, maybe I'm saying something y'all don't think, but
I like it. I know. I like it. It make my nose look bigger. But it make it look so, it's like you smudging it in, but it's bringing it out, which is so cute. And I also like to use this kind of, y'all look like I got a wig on my head. And I don't. It's my head. Y'all gonna see it's my head. Okay, so this the color I have for my blue. So I'm gonna mix it, like do a black, not black, brown, blue brows. I'm just gonna add a little bit of brown just to balance it out. Yeah, about to see. So this is the part I probably zoom in so that y'all can actually see what I'm doing, because we just tracing. That's all we doing is tracing. When you're doing your brows, you just start at the top and just outline it. Just go around it, not too hard. And I like to do like a little bit of the front with no hair, so that when y'all gonna see. It's all quiet. Okay, now that I outline it, I look ugly right now. Trust the process. It's like, no, I'm done. It's like, no, I'm not done. Make them a little better, because this part here, this is how I'm walking out the side. I'm not walking outside like this. I'm not walking outside like this. Okay. So I'm going to use my contour palette. The color that I'm going for is between these two. Because, yeah, so it's between these two. These two. Because...
And then you just go, basically, you follow around the brow. You get all them hairs that, you know, ain't looking right. And you just go around it.
My brows are really naturally thick, y'all, so like I said, until I get my brows arched, this is what I'm going to be working with. I'm coming, y'all. I'm almost done. I got a habit of going in like hot saucy that concealer be getting on. Sometimes I go over it. There we go. My head itching. Okay, so now I blend. Y'all know the girl cream. The girl is tripping. The girl is tripping. Okay. So this brush is like naturally pink, y'all. Is it? No, it's not. I lied. I thought it was. I had a set that was like that. I don't want it too dark, but I want it to look like.
Leave out. I leave out like a mess. Okay. So now that I put my